How to view friends activity on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can view your friends activities on Spotify, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to view your friends activity on Spotify, first of all, just launch the Spotify application whether you're on mobile or your PC. Then on the top right hand side, you'll find your profile name. Just make sure to click on that option and then you want to simply go to settings as you could see over here. Now, once you go to settings, what you want to do is first of all, the very first thing you want to do is make sure that you connect your Facebook account to your Spotify account. Because if you do not connect your Facebook to Spotify, you will not be able to see your friends' activities. And at the same time, you also want to make sure that your friends have also connected their Spotify account with their Facebook account. And only after you just click on the connect with Facebook option, enter your login user ID and your password, should you be able to successfully go ahead and view those activities. But do not click away yet, because there is still one more thing that you need to do. And then right over here, you'll find the display section where you have to simply turn on the toggle right next to see what your friends are playing over here. As you can see, just make sure to turn on this toggle, and then right on the right hand side you'll be able to see your friends activities if you have connected your Facebook to Spotify. And that's all it takes to view your friends activities on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.